Hi guys, it's Bethesda. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope I posted this video on time and not like few months later like I do with everything. Professional procrastinator. But I wanted to show you as always what all I got from my recent trip to Singapore. It was a great time. Obviously vacations are always fun. My first time being kind of on my own because I mostly go out with my friends who take care of me because I don't want to say dumb but kind of not totally intelligent. I need people to guide me and stuff, but in this trip I was not alone. I hope you know what I mean. This is probably the last video of the Singapore series, so I hope you have watched all my vlogs. Like, no pressure, but please watch. So let's start with the haul. Excited? Yes, I am. और कहीं भी बाहर जाऊँ सबसे पहली चीज़ मैं ये करती हूँ, I have to go to Sephora. I have to go. तो obviously यहाँ भी मैं Sephora गई and I got a bunch of makeup, especially that makeup which I do not get in India. वरना कोई फायदा नहीं है. I mean, I do get makeup in India, but it's like always pricey and you don't get the correct shades and there's always customs and stuff. The first thing I got in it's not makeup, it's स्किन केयर इज दिस सुपरगो ग्लो स्टिक. मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सुना था. दिस इज amazing. If you've seen the Pixi glow stick thing, ये वैसा ही है, but it's kind of an oilyish texture. Skin is SPF 50 and you can literally carry it anywhere. It's so great for beach. I also applied it on beach and I've applied it right now. I don't know if you noticed, my skin looks chum chum. It is water and sweat resistant and PA4 pluses, like plus, and it applies like this. It smells like nothing. Next thing I got is this Briogeo Farewell Frizz. It's a leave-in conditioner. It has a milky texture and it's supposed to soften your hair and tame all your frizz. I have not used it yet. It's like 3000. मुझे नहीं पता. This is one of those products that works over time or just shows instant results, because if it shows instant results I can use it when I need. अगर over time का scene है तो मुझे ये हर बार use करना पड़ेगा, which and I am also not sure if Briogeo is available in India. What is the next brand that I got? Guess karo. I know you guessed it. It's a Rare Beauty. Selena, my beautiful angel. But मैंने सिर्फ दो ही चीजें ली. One is the tinted moisturizer. I really wanted it, पर मुझे मेरा shade नहीं समझ आ रहा था, तो finally I got to get this. मैंने अभी लगाया हुआ है. Just saying, it just looks like real skin. My shade is 26 warm. It literally applies like a cream. बिल्कुल second skin वाली feel आती है, and you only need like a little bit to spread it around. Then I got a concealer. It's in 180 warm. I have a lot of good concealers actually. This one is very light, almost whitish, like बहुत ऐसे whitish है. Consistency is amazing. बहुत अच्छी coverage भी है, पर ये बहुत white है. जब आप कुछ heavy makeup करते हो तो आप यहाँ इस side concealer के ऊपर एक और light concealer लगाते हो to give your eyes that brightening look. That is why I got this. Then I got Fenty Beauty का eyeliner in black. This is what it looks like. I really hope you've seen my Europe haul video because उसमें भी I got this. It's actually a refill. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's such a precision वाला eyeliner. Like, I love using it. मैंने इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया था कि मुझे लगा वो फिनिश होने वाला है, जो वो होने वाला है, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही refill कर लिया. Then I got a NARS lipstick in another PG shade. I have a million of these shades. I feel I don't know what new I can even try. I don't apply light nudes. I don't apply bright colors. I'm always inclined towards peachy nudes. Packaging perfect. It is just so good. It's a velvety सा packet है. It's in the shade Joyride. This is the shade. It's very peachy. It's very me. And Sephora also gave me a gift, cleansing water from Sephora. They are very stingy because Paris वालों ने मुझे इतना सारा कुछ दे दिया था. They gave me eyebrow kit full with a pouch and everything, and even Nykaa stores they are giving me pura makeup. These people only gave me this sample cleanser. I also found another local kind of store जहाँ पे drugstore makeups. I saw there were a lot of Korean makeup brands जिनके बारे में सुना भी नहीं है कभी, लेकिन वहाँ पे I saw Peripera का stall. I got the best stuff. मेरे को सबसे पहले इंटरेस्ट आया दिस इंक वेलवेट थिंग में. I have applied it. It's in the shade 01. This is like the most famous shade. It's very creamy and velvety. And जो आप lip gradient आप जो देखते हो लगा के बस ऐसे ऐसे कर लो, it just gives you exactly those kind of lips. It's just so good. मैंने सबसे पहले ये लिया था, फिर I applied it for 2 days. Even Nishka applied it and she loved it. फिर हमने सोचा कि we should get it again. तो हम जल्दी में वापस मॉल गए, वापस हमने लिए and I got 2 more shades. The shades are 26 and 21. So these two are of the same species. Range, sorry. Ink Velvet 01 and 26 and this one is Ink Airy Velvet. तो ये वाला शेड जो है ये ज़्यादा लाइट है on your lips. The texture is really cloudy and you know very light and stuff. And इनका थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा creamy है. I'm swatching this because I have to show you कि ये कितने अच्छे हैं. So this is the first shade. It's my favorite. It's like a reddish brick shade. ये जो है lips पे लगा के बहुत light हो जाता है. I have applied it right now. So when you spread it, it just becomes very peachy सा प्यारा सा nude this color. Like it's very pink, baby pink type of color. Then मैंने पेरी पेरा का ही this carroting eye shadow लिया. I am in love because it has all the shades I will ever use in my life. Look at the packaging. It is so travel friendly. Like पर्स में डाल दो, बैग में डाल दो, कहीं भी आ जाएगी. उसके बाद the shades are the prettiest. All the nude peachy shades. आपको best part बताती हूँ. इसके जो glittered shades हैं, they are. Let me swatch it for you. It is pretty. I really wish you could see them, but this lighting is not doing justice. All the other shades are super pigmented. Like मजा ही आ गया. And the last thing that I got from there, it's also from Peri Pera. It's a glitter eyeliner. इतना प्यारा glitter मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा होगा लाइफ में. These are the eyeshadow के glitter and this is the liner का glitter. It is just so pretty. तो ये हो गया मेरा सारा मेकअप खत्म. अब ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं बची है क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा चीज़ें ली ही नहीं. I'll tell you like where I bought it and why. So फिर हम जू गए. वहाँ पे बहुत बारिश हो रही थी तो वहाँ से मैंने लिया ये पैंडा. वहाँ से मैंने लिया ये पेंगुइन. So it's from the Mandai conservation thing. हम वहाँ से जो भी चीज़ें खरीदते हैं उसका जो शेयर है या पूरा चीज़ I don't know, it goes to the animal welfare. It was a great zoo that protects animals, conserves their natural habitat and जो animals wild में survive नहीं कर सकते या extinct हो रहे हैं उनको वो protect करते हैं. वहाँ बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी तो मुझे umbrella खरीदना ही पड़ा. So I have an umbrella जो मैं घर पे दे चुकी हूँ. And another thing is what is this little guy? It's just so cute. Look how it sits down like ooh. It's a little fat and just sits like this. So adorable. Comments में बताओ मुझे इसका नाम क्या रखना चाहिए. Another souvenir I got from zoo is this little panda which is eating a bamboo stick. I also saw a panda there जिसका नाम था लेले. It's a little panda magnet. It's eating a bamboo. छोटा सा. I could have taken more but they were like $8 so इतना ही afford कर सकती थी. Then from the flower domes वहाँ पे there was a gift shop selling overpriced souvenirs. I got a few things. So the first thing I got, this is for my mom actually. She loves you know such kind of things. So it's an egg. ऐसे प्रेस करके यहाँ से टूथपिक्स निकल जाते हैं. ये सिंगापुर की सारी चीज़ें जो है यहाँ पे like Marina Bay Sands, this eye thing and this Merlion cable car and everything. तो ये सब कुछ ऐसे दिखाता है and it's a very pretty sky blue color and it's really a bit heavy. Pretty thing. Then वहीं से मैंने ये Merlion लिया था which is the Singapore's mascot or something and it's made of marble. It's like a souvenir जो आप एक रख सकते हो कि like a memory कि yeah I went to Singapore. I also got this lip gloss. They had so many things like lip glosses, lipsticks and all जिनके अंदर there are like real flowers because they grow flowers there and it's gloss के अंदर also there are flowers. So pretty. It's really shiny and it smells so good. I'm not sure if it you know moisturizes your lips or anything but it's fancy. It's beautiful. These flowers never die because what am I gonna do with this then? और जैसे मैं Sephora सेफोरा गई थी उस दिन मॉल से. I got a bunch of things. This was a gift shop called Kimoj and they were selling like keychains and accessories and sunglasses, hairbands and you know all that gift knick-knack stuff. So वहाँ से I got this bracelet. It is so beautiful, really cheap, but it looks really pretty. It has flowers on it, which is just such a beautiful bracelet, and the crystals are really shiny. Then उसी shop से I got this pair of sunglasses. I was planning like a beach day, इसलिए मैंने लिया था, पर मैं ले जाना ही भूल गई बीच पे. I don't know how to feel about them. मुझे वहाँ पे तो ये बहुत interesting और अच्छे लग रहे थे. यहाँ पे I just feel like they're not that flattering. I look like Bobby Deol from Soldier. I'm not sure what to do with these. I got 2 keychains. So one was this squirrel. Why did I suddenly forget how to say squirrel? Gilahari. Okay, so I got this Gilahari. It has such a fluffy tail, carrying a nut and everything. So cute. इसका नाम क्या रखे? Gillu. Then I got this bunny जिसकी इतनी प्यारी सी ड्रेस है. उनके पास इतने cute bunnies थे. Has a little bow. It's such a fluffy, pretty thing. Can be a bag charm or like a keychain. I also got this bag from Uniqlo. ये मैंने zoo के लिए लिया था क्योंकि मेरे पास ऐसा कोई क्रॉस बॉडी बैग नहीं था. It was such a useful bag. It was also waterproof. मैंने कैमरा वगैरह सब कुछ रखा हुआ था. जिस दिन zoo में बारिश पड़ी थी मैं पूरी भीग गई. इसके अंदर की चीजें नहीं भीगी. And Uniqlo तो इंडिया में भी है. One more functional thing I got is from Cotton On. यहाँ से मैंने ये Hello Kitty का tote bag लिया. It's a really huge tote bag. जब से मैंने लिया I've used it 20 times. मैंने सिंगापुर में भी रोज इससे यूज किया. काम आ रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा एयरपोर्ट पे. अभी भी यहाँ भी इसको लेके आए तो बहुत सारा सामान फिट हो जाता है. It's just so adorable and cute. It goes with all the outfits. में दुनिया जहान समा सकता है. बहुत बड़ा बैग है. I know this is not enough like gifts for family friends, तो मैंने उसके ऊपर से मेरे बहुत सारा स्नैक्स ले आई थी मैं वहाँ से. ऐसे चॉकलेट्स एंड जेलीज एंड चिप्स एंड ऑल, जिसमें से थोड़ा बहुत मैं खा गई हूँ. एंड आई गेस that's it. And this was my Singapore haul. Everything is here. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, then please leave a like and let me know what items did you like out of these. Also, please watch my Singapore vlogs. They're all out and they're fun and they'll give you a more context of whatever was going on in this video. I really hope to see you soon, and till then, take care. Bye.